Okay, my dear students, here exercise 1.1. It's a question number 7. In a magical square, each row, column, and diagonal, three things are given. Let me clarify you what is row. What is a row? Row we are considering as horizontal way. This is horizontal line that we will calculate as row. Okay, clear? Second is column. Column we are considering vertical lines. These are vertical lines. So number which we are given in vertical line that we consider in a column. And third is diagonal. Diagonal, how we are calculating? From this side to this side. Means one corner to another corner, opposite corner. From one corner of the square to opposite corner. So this is called diagonal. The number which you find here, they are given in the diagonal. So this is the clarification of three terms. Now what we have to do? We have to check the following is a magic square or not. We have to declare is it magic square or not. Okay. For that, small procedure we have to apply, and by applying this, your concepts of integers will be thorough. So let's begin. Let me call this is your first row, this is your second row, this is your third row. Please mention in your copy with your this first column, second column, and third column. This is your first row, second row, and this is third row. This is actually column. Okay. Now let's begin. First row. We are first measuring first row. In first row, which number we are having here? 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Let's simplify. We know minus 1 minus 4 same sign addition. It will become 5 minus 5. So answer is coming 0. Clear? Now we'll work out on second row. What are the numbers available in a second row? Observe. They are minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. Let's simplify. Minus minus plus, we know very well, minus minus plus, so minus 7 plus 7, of course opposite sign, so answer is 0. Same procedure for the third row. It is very simple and very easy. Carefully note down what we are given. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. We know plus 3 minus 3 opposite sign 0. It will be cancelled. So this is 0. So these are the calculation for the row part only. Okay. Now we will work out on the column. This we will consider. Vertical line we will consider as column. So let's start first column. Please note down COLUMN, column. M remains silent, column. So here you can see which are the numbers in the first column. 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. All of you know very well. Plus minus opposite sign, so it will be cancelled. So finally the answer will be 0. Same procedure. Let's work out for the second column. Let's see. They are minus 1, then minus 2, and this 3. Fine. So minus 1 minus 2, it gives the result minus 3 itself. And this is plus 3. Minus 1 minus 2, it gives minus 3 result. Minus 3 plus 3, it gives the result 0. Clear to you? Now we'll work out on third column. Observe your question carefully. Here 3 columns are given. Let's work out on 3 columns. The numbers are minus 4, then plus 7, and then here it is minus 3. Clear to you? Now Just observe these two numbers are negative. -4, -3. But we know that same sign addition. So 4 plus 3 is 7, but their sign will remain minus. Okay? And plus 7, that gives the result 0. So all the way you can see here, zeros, it's the result 0, 0. 3 columns 0, 0, 0. But two more things. How many diagonal to this square? Always remember a square is having two diagonals. So we need to mention first diagonal. So here we need to mention first diagonal equal to. First diagonal, it is this way we will calculate. Okay. So the numbers are 5 plus -2, 5 plus -2 plus -2. Okay, work out properly. If I ask you to simplify, then quickly you will say -2 -3, it gives the result -5. And 5 minus 5 is again 0. Same number with opposite sign gives the result 0. Now second diagonal. What are the numbers in second diagonal? Let's note down. They are -4 plus -2. Yes. And this is 0. Now be careful. -4 -2 same sign addition, so answer is -6. Okay, now observe here. Here we are given first row, that is coming 0. Correct? 0, correct. 0, okay. Similar. 0 same. 0 in column. This 0 also. Here also 0. But the problem is with this number. It is not coming 0. So you need to write not equal to 0. This number not equal to 0. So due to this only, the final answer which I am going to mention here at the side by side, I am writing here, therefore, the given square, this is not a magical square. So you need to mention it is not a magical square. Clear? It is not a magical square. So I am putting it in a proper way for your better. This is your final solution. I am mentioning it here. You please mention this thing just below. Okay? It is not a magical square because the last diagonal sum is not coming 0. I hope it's clear to you. Exercise 1.1, it's a question number 8. Question number 8 says, verify a minus in bracket minus b equal to minus a plus b. You can see here, for the following values of a and b, and here in the question we are given a equal to 21 and of course b equal to 18. Clear to you? So, my dear student, how to go with that? This portion we call LHS. LHS. What is the meaning of LHS? Left hand side. Please remember, left hand side. This portion is LHS. What we are given in LHS? A minus in bracket minus b. So, now we are substituting the value of a and b in that. What is the meaning of substituting? Means putting the value. In place of a, I am writing here 21. In place of b, I am writing here 18. Okay, but here along with the sign. Okay, now how to simplify? All of us know very well, minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. Now addition of this will coming 21 plus 18, it gives the result 39. Let it be as it is. Okay. Now we will work out on RHS. RHS, it means right hand side. RHS means right hand side, that is minus A plus B. Minus A plus B we are given. Now let's put its a value. What is here? Here it is already minus given and this is positive, so I am writing it as it is, A. But if it will be negative, then I need to write it in a bracket. Plus B. B is 18. Now observe carefully here, opposite sign. Observe carefully, opposite sign. So we need to work out, this will be minus 21 and this is 18 as it is given in the question. Yes, beta, I did mistake here. This is A plus B. Yes, I got it here. A plus B. Please correct. Remove this A from here. Okay. And this will become A plus B. So 21 plus 18. It again gives the result 39. Here to you. I am little bit shifting it here equal to. Now both the way you can see 39. This is also 39. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. We need to mention LHS equal to RHS and hence it is proved. We need to mention in a final answer, hence proved. Hence, fine. Now same procedure we will apply for second number. The second number is A equal to 118 and B equal to 125. So let's start. Ready? LHS equal to. What is LHS? Here we are given in the question. This is, you can see A minus in bracket minus B. Fine? A minus in bracket A minus B. Let's note down the value of A is 118 minus in bracket the value of this is minus 125. Fine. So 118 minus minus plus 118 plus 125. So let's add. What is the addition? 8 plus 3, 13, 3, 1 carry over. It gives the result 4. So answer is this. Clear? You can mention this answer here as I have not enough space here. So now I am writing RHS portion, right hand side. Right hand side is simply A plus B is here. Okay. So let's note down what is A. That is 118 plus 125. So the sum of this is coming 243. You can see here in both the answers, LHS and RHS both are similar. Both the answers are similar. That's why we need to mention LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, my dear students, here exercise 1.1. It's a question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box, right? Just observe nicely. The first question which we are given is minus 8 plus minus 4. And here we need to put the sign. So keep the blank box. Minus 8 minus minus 4 in bracket. So how to solve? Let's start. So for LHS portion, we are solving all together. So here it will be minus 8. We know plus minus minus, right? Plus minus minus. So let's solve this side. Minus 8 minus 4 gives the result minus 12. Clear to you? So what we have to do? Now simplify. Same thing is here. Minus minus here. Minus minus, it will be plus. And we know opposite sign, so subtraction, and subtract small number from big number, so it gives the result 4. But because of big number sign is negative, so here it will be negative. Now my dear students, you know very well, as we proceed from the left to right side, okay, when as we proceed from 0 to right side, we are having bigger number, right? Okay, my dear students, here you can see on your screen exercise 1.1, question 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than, or equal to in the box, right? So first we are given this question, -8 plus -4, and this side -8 minus in bracket -4. Be careful while writing the question. Now you can see here, this is -8 -4. We know same sign addition. So here I have written -12. Just go with this here, -8 minus plus. So here it is 4. -8 plus 4. Opposite sign subtraction. 8 minus 4 gives the result 4. And the sign of a big number is minus. So here it is minus. And as we know that if we proceed to the right side of a number line, the number increases. And if we proceed to the left side, the number will become smaller, that is decrease. So -12 is left to -4, you know. -12 comes left side to the -4 on a number line. That's why this number is smaller. So we need to mention this way the sign. Let's see the second same way. Here we are given -3 plus 7 minus 90, and in a box then we are given 15 minus 8 plus minus 9 in bracket. This is the question. So let's simplify. How to solve? Start. -3 is already there, so let it be as it is. Plus 7, this indicate minus 90. Fine. Let me write the box empty. We know that here 15 minus 8 plus minus. All of you know plus minus gives the result minus. So I need to write here 9. Clear? So next, what should I do? -3 minus 19. -3 minus 19 gives the result -22. And this is plus 7, and here it is blank, and this is -8 minus 9, same sign addition, but sign remain minus. So next step, -22 plus 7, opposite sign, so subtraction. We know 27 minus 7 gives the result 15, and we know that the big number sign is minus, so here it is minus. And look at your screen, 15 minus 17. What will be the answer of this? That is -2. Now how to decide what will be the sign? As we know that -2 is the right side of -15 on a number line. That's why -2 is bigger than -15. You need to mention the final sign is this. Let's work out on the C. We are given 23 minus 41 plus 11, and one box you will have to draw, and 23 minus 41 minus 11. This we are given. So let's go ahead with that. We know that here 23. Now, which two numbers you are finding positive? This and this. So first we need to add both of this number. 23 plus 11, it gives the result 34. And this is -41. 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 34, and this remain as it is. This side also 23 is alone positive, but you can see these both numbers are negative. Negative numbers, same sign, addition, so it will become minus 52. Let's go with the next step. 41, 34. When we subtract from this, it gives the result 7. And as we know, big number sign negative, so here we need to write minus. And here just observe 52 minus 23. 12 minus 3, 9. 4 minus 2, 29. As we know, big number sign negative, so I need to write here negative. Now, how to put the sign? How can we decide what will be the final sign? So, we know that minus 7 is to the right side of minus 29 on a number line. So, simply I should say this number is bigger here. Okay. Please note down this in your copy. Okay, my dear students, here exercise 1.1, it's a question 9. We are here 39 plus minus 24. This is the D part. Okay, so please note down here it is D. 39 plus in bracket minus 24 minus 15, and this side 36 plus minus 52 minus 36, right? This is our question which we are given. Let's see how to solve that. Okay, so let's work out on that. This is D part we are doing. As we know that left side, here 39 first, plus minus gives the result minus. Okay, and of course this is minus 50. Be careful while writing this step. Then this side also 36 plus minus. Okay, minus it will be plus. Fine. Let's see next step. 39 is alone positive. Rest of the two numbers, these two numbers are negative. Both these are negative, so what we have to do, we need to add them and we need to put the sign minus. So what do we have here? The sum of both of this number is 39, and that let me sort out. RHS 36 plus 36, both these numbers are positive, so let me work out upon this. 36 plus 36 gives the result 72, and as this is minus 52, 36 that is 72, and this is minus 52. Got it? Now next is, here you can see 39 minus 39, opposite sign gives the result 0, it will be cancelled. But this side 72 minus 52, it gives the result 20. And as we know, as all of us we know very well, positive number is always greater than 0. Any positive number is always greater than 0. So which is the bigger in both of this number? This. So we need to put the sign this side. Here. Now we'll work out on the E. Let's see what we are given in E. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Yeah. And this box is also there. And this side minus 399 plus 159 and this 81. In this example, the numbers which we are given are little bit bigger than the previous, but very simple how to solve. Just apply the rule of plus and minus easily. Now here you can see these two terms are connected with positive sign. Okay, so let me write this negative alone, minus 231 first, and now I am going to add both of this number. So what will be its a sum? If I add this, so I will get 130. Here. Now this side, right side, this is only alone negative, but these two number positive. So let me write this alone here negative, and I am going to add both of these numbers. So what will be its a sum? Let's start. 9 plus 1 0, carry over 1, this will give 4, and this will become 2. 240 is coming. Here I have written 240. Now next step, as we know that here it is opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction. Please remember, dear student, opposite sign means subtraction. Here you can see if we subtract this from this, what will be the result? 1 minus 0, 1. This is 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 101. But how to decide the sign? We need to decide the sign through this minus. So here it will be big number, bigger number is this, and its a sign is negative, so we need to write here minus. Now next, what about this? See, both of these number, they are also having opposite sign, and as we know opposite sign, subtraction. So let me subtract small number from big number first. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And both of these numbers, in that this one is bigger number and it's a sign negative, so here we need to write minus. Now how to decide which one is bigger from both of this number? So simply I should say minus 101 comes right side to this number, so this number is bigger number. So this is the complete solution of question number 9.